Imagine if minutes from now you could have your very own Amazon affiliate website creation suite that's fully powered by your own cloud hosting account with cPanel access and 99 premium AI models built in, including the recently released Sora AI and DeepSeek. Now, you've probably heard about Amazon affiliate sites, multiple AIs, or lifetime hosting before, but trust me when I say it, you've never seen them all packaged together like this one ever before. That's for two reasons. Firstly, we've been hosting Amazon affiliate websites for over 20,000 customers since 2020, and we're still in business hosting hundreds of thousands of websites. These websites get traffic on a daily basis and make our customers Amazon commissions like clockwork. We're here to stay, and your sites are safe with us. That's right, next generation Amazon affiliate sites with built-in hosting. That's better than anything else on the market right now, but without any of the ridiculous monthly fees. Pay once, use forever. Amazon affiliate sites that take 60 seconds to set up, populate with affiliate reviews and products, plus send you traffic 24/7. All you have to do? Choose your niche and insert your affiliate link. We even keep you 100% compliant with any legislation. Think GDPR or ADA. Why an Amazon store? Because it's the easiest proven way to boost your online earnings. Without any effort, exploit Amazon's products, traffic, and marketing to make sales on autopilot from an AI-powered complete store that has your brand on it. In 60 seconds, you can be up and running, already cashing in those fat commissions on every in-demand product that is being searched on Google. What about the second reason? Well, secondly, this is something you've never seen before in the Amazon affiliate space or the hosting space. Imagine if minutes from now you could have instant access to your own premium accounts of brand new video maker Sora AI, brand new DeepSeek chatbot, ChatGPT 403 Mini PRO, Google Gemini Ultra Advanced, DALL-E 3 HD, Whisper AI Text-to-Speech, Midjourney Mega, Leonardo AI Pro Plan, Microsoft Copilot Pro, Meta Llama 3.1, and 99 other premium AIs. All integrated with our Amazon affiliate site creator. Just how good does that sound? Well, lucky for you, today is the day this all becomes reality. Many others have already picked it up and are earning like crazy. I mean, hundreds of sales every week with close to zero work on your part. That's the good life. And most of them are newbies who let the AI work its wonders and handle all aspects from store building to traffic and promotion. That's right. You don't have to do any work on Elixir if you don't want to. And the results people are getting are just insane. They say the proof is in the pudding. Well, today the proof is in Elixir. That means you can have the AI build entire Amazon affiliate websites on Elixir hosting. Write unlimited unique content for those websites. Auto-add your affiliate link. Create amazing HD review videos and host them as well with our Elixir video player. Generate graphics and images. Turn any text into human-sounding speech. Get #1 SEO rankings. Get easy Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube traffic. Manage your social media accounts. Run live chatbots for support and sales. Even create entire Hollywood polished movies using Sora AI. Listen, Sora AI Premium alone is $200 per month, and you get it as a bonus with this Elixir package. Thousands of people have already used Elixir to create their own profitable and automated affiliate sites with ease. That's all thanks to the custom built-in AI model, which handles all the work. 99 premium AI models are built in, including Sora AI, DeepSeek, and the latest ChatGPT o3 Mini. With a single click, your site will automatically be filled with Amazon products in any niche, with fresh product review articles. These are all updated 24/7, and new content is being added for you every hour. All done for you. This works 24/7. Brand new content created automatically, and the traffic comes in fast through SEO. All fully optimized for you. My favorite Elixir feature? That it gets you free traffic and easy #1 rankings from Google and Bing, as well as massive amounts of targeted organic traffic at the push of a button. The bottom line is this. All 53 beta testers have made money within 12 hours of testing out this never-before-seen system called Elixir. But you have to hurry because this offer expires at midnight tomorrow. After that, you'll never see Elixir again. Trust me, you don't want to miss this opportunity. Elixir is the best thing that ever happened to Amazon sellers. Welcome to Elixir.